The origin of all types of energy on the Earth are generated by the sun, which releases light and heat, all the time. The sunlight seems endless, to human beings, to plants, to all types of other animals and creatures that are living with us. Mysolar is a professional manufacturer of solar modules, which can convert sunlight into electricity in an easier way. The team have the most experienced engineers with more than 15 years solar PV manufacturing, with the strictest quality control team, who averagely work more than 10 years in solar panel production, and the latest automatic production lines for both general solar modules and half-cell solar modules. With the help of these robotic tools, Mysolar has the guarantee of production efficiency and high quality. Mysolar's production capacity is around 40 megawatt per month. All Mysolar panels were twice or triple electroluminescence tested, to guarantee 100% panels are perfect before shipping. With solar energy, we are together rewriting the history of energy consumption, and we are doing more to help people use clean energy with less pollution but more power output. We are not only saving money for users, we hope we are saving our Earth and reserve more for our next generations.